Good morning. Today's class, chemical properties of nitrohydrocarbons. In continuation with the chemical properties, today discuss manage reaction, Michael addition, and reductions reactions of nitrohydrocarbons in different media. Here, manage reaction means primary and secondary nitroalkanes having active hydrogen atom show condensation reaction with formaldehyde and ammonia or a primary or secondary amine to give managed base is called managed reaction. Once again, primary or secondary nitroalkanes having active methylene hydrogens atoms show condensation reaction with formaldehyde and ammonia or primary or secondary amine to give managed base is called managed reaction. Example, that is secondary nitroalkanes having active hydrogen atoms show condensation with formaldehyde and ammonia or primary or secondary amines. It gives managed base, that is secondary amine R2CHNO2 plus formaldehyde HCHO plus primary amine R-NH2 in the presence of acid media undergo condensation to give managed base is R2 CNO2 CH2 NHR HCl plus H2O. It is called managed base. Then you have to take specific example, that is nitroethane is a primary nitro compound having active hydrogen atom show condensation with formaldehyde HCHO and primary amine, that is methylamine. In the presence of acid media, it gives CH3, CHNO2, CH2, NHCH3. It is called managed base. Similarly, the nitro managed reaction, that is the primary nitroalkanes, that is R-CH2NO2, in the presence of base, it undergo tautomerism to give R-C double bond N O minus O minus. Upon treatment with addition product that is R2CH double bond N R3 in the presence of acid media, it gives the managed base of R-CHNO2 CHR2 NHR3. It is called managed base. Similarly, conjugate addition of nitro managed reaction is R-CH double bond CHNO2. Undergo nucleophilic addition, the nucleophile attacked the, that is beta carbon of nitro group R-CHNU CH double bond NO2 minus, where Nu is called hydrogen or alkyl or any heteroatom. Then it condenses with addition product R2CHNR3 in the presence of acid media, it gives the Mannich base of R dash CHNU, CHNO2, CHNH, R3, then R2. It is the Mannich base. Means the Mannich reaction is stated as primary or secondary nitroalkanes having active hydrogen atom show condensation reaction with formaldehyde and ammonia or a primary or secondary amine to give Mannich base is called Mannich reaction. Next one, Michael addition reaction. Here Michael addition is stated as the primary and secondary nitroalkanes, that is primary and secondary nitroalkanes undergo addition with alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds in the presence of base. It gives the addition product is called Michael addition. Once again, the primary or secondary nitroalkanes undergo addition with alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds in the presence of base. It gives addition product is called Michael addition. Here example, reaction of nitromethane, primary nitroalkane with mesithyl oxide of alpha beta unsaturated ketone. It gives the addition product, that is CH3 taken to C double bond CH, C double bond O, CH3. It is called mesithyl oxide, or it can also call alpha beta unsaturated ketone. It undergo addition with the primary nitroalkane, that is CH2 double bond NO2 of sodium salt, that is nitromethane of sodium salt. It gives the, that is CH3 taken to C single bond CH2 CO CH3. Here CH double bond NO2 minus Na plus in the presence of acid media, then it gives rise to CH3 taken to C CH2 NO2 CH2 C double bond O CH3. It is the Michael addition product. Then its name, IUPAC name is 4,4 dimethyl 5-nitro-pentane 2-one. That is actually first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon. That is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the fifth carbon, that is fourth carbon having two methyl groups, therefore 4,4 dimethyl 5-nitro 2-pentanone or pentane 2-one. It is the Michael addition product. That is, Michael addition is stated as primary and secondary nitroalkanes undergo addition with the alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds in the presence of base. It gives the addition product is called Michael addition. In this reaction, that is mesithyl oxide addition with the primary nitroalkane, that is sodium sulfate nitromethane, it gives the addition product, followed by acidification. It gives the 4,4-dimethyl 5-nitro 2-pentanone. Here in another mechanism, that is the alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound, that is CH double bond C double bond O H. It undergo nucleophilic addition. The nucleophile is attacking at the gamma carbon. It gives nucleophilic addition product, undergo protonation to give this intermediate one. Similarly, in the nitroalkanes, that is CH2 single bond CH double bond C NO2 CH3. Here it undergo addition of nucleophile. It gives the intermediate product which acidification to give then Michael addition product. Means here that is Michael addition is stated as the primary and secondary nitroalkanes having active hydrogen undergo addition with alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds in the presence of base to give addition product is called Michael addition reaction. Next one, the reduction reactions of nitroalkanes. Generally, nitroalkanes give different compounds under different conditions. Nitroalkanes give different compounds under different conditions. First one, nitroalkanes reduced with tin in HCl, stannous in HCl or lithium aluminium hydride by hydrogen in the presence of a catalyst. Nitroalkanes gives the primary amines. Here that is nitroalkanes reduced with tin in HCl or lithium aluminium hydride by nascent hydrogen in the presence of catalyst. This nitroalkanes reduced to give primary amines. For example, nitroethane C2H5NO2 undergo reduction with the nascent hydrogen in the presence of stannous in HCl, tin in HCl. It gives that is ethylamine C2H5NH2 plus 2H2O. Similarly, nitromethane undergo reduction with the nascent hydrogen in the presence of tin in HCl. It gives methylamine. Similarly, nitropropane undergo reduction with the nascent hydrogen in the presence of tin in HCl. It gives propylamine. Next, second type. Here, these nitroalkanes undergo reduction with nascent hydrogen in the presence of zinc dust and ammonium chloride. That is a neutral media. First one is in acid media. In the acid media, tin in HCl, it gives primary amines. But in the second condition is zinc dust in ammonium chloride, which is neutral media. This nitroalkanes reduced to give N-phenyl, that is N-alkyl hydroxylamines. N-alkyl nitroalkanes gives the hydroxylamines. N-alkyl hydroxylamines. For example, nitroethane undergo reduction with nascent hydrogen in the presence of zinc in ammonium chloride. It gives ethyl hydroxylamine C2H5NHOH plus H2O. Similarly, nitromethane undergo reduction with the nascent hydrogen in the presence of zinc in ammonium chloride. It gives methyl hydroxylamine, that is CH3NHOH. Similarly, nitropropane undergo reduction with nascent hydrogen in the presence of zinc in ammonium chloride. It gives propyl hydroxylamine, that is CH3CH2CH2NHOH. Next one, third type is when reduced by stannous chloride and hydrochloric acid, a mixture of hydroxylamine and oximes are formed. That is, third condition is nitroalkanes reduced by stannous chloride and hydrochloric acid. A mixture of hydroxylamine and oximes are obtained. For example, nitroethane undergo reduction in the presence of stannous chloride in HCl. It gives that is ethyl hydroxylamine and that is acetal dioxide is obtained. Ethyl hydroxylamine and acetal dioxide is obtained. Means here the in the three conditions, three different types of products are obtained by the reduction of nitroalkanes. First condition is nitroalkanes undergo reduction with nascent hydrogen in the presence of stannine HCl. Means in acid media, it gives primary amines, that is RNO2 plus 6H. In the presence of tannine HCl, it gives RNH2 plus 2H2O. Second condition is when nitroalkanes undergo reduction with nascent hydrogen in the presence of zinc dust in ammonium chloride, it is a neutral media, it gives hydroxylamine, that is RNO2 plus 4H. In the presence of zinc in ammonium chloride, it gives RNHOH plus H2O. Third type is nitroalkanes undergo reduction with stannous chloride and hydrochloric acid. It gives a mixture of hydroxylamine and oximes. For example, that is nitroethane undergo reduction with reduction in the presence of stannous chloride in HCl. It gives, that is N-ethyl hydroxylamine and acetal dioxymes are obtained. Then next one, that is aromatic nitro compounds. Here in the aromatic nitro compounds, aromatic compounds means according to Huckel's rule, the compounds which are having 4n plus 2 pi electrons with a cyclic structure are called aromatic compounds. Here benzene C6H5 is an aromatic compound. In the benzene molecule, that is 3 double bonds are alternatively present in the molecule. It contains 6 pi electrons. According to Huckel's rule, it is an aromatic compound. Here aromatic nitro compounds means in the aromatic compounds like benzene, naphthalene, anthracene, the one of the hydrogen atom is replaced by the nitro group. The obtained compounds are called aromatic nitro compounds. Here in the aromatic compounds means, that is in the benzene ring, one of the hydrogen atom is replaced by the nitro group. The obtained compound is called nitrobenzene. Here that is C6H5, in which one of the hydrogen atom is replaced by NO2. The obtained compound is nitrobenzene. Here the aromatic nitro compounds are two types: nucleus substituted compounds. Nucleus substituted compounds means in the benzene ring, one or more hydrogen atoms are replaced by the nitro group. The obtained compounds are called nitrobenzene or substituted nitrobenzene. That is, one is nitrobenzene, it is 2-methyl nitrobenzene, it is 3-methyl nitrobenzene, it is 4-methyl nitrobenzene, or simply we can say nitrobenzene, orthomethyl nitrobenzene, metamethyl nitrobenzene, paramethyl nitrobenzene. Second type is side chain substituted compounds. Side chain substituted compounds means in the benzene nucleus, one of the hydrogen atom is replaced by the alkyl substituted nitro compounds or nitrohydrocarbons. Is called side chain substituted compounds. Such compounds results when a hydrogen atom from the side chain is replaced by the nitro group. That is, it is benzyl nitrite or it is 2-phenyl nitroethane. It is phenyl nitromethane. Phenyl nitromethane or it can also call benzyl nitride. It is 2-phenyl nitroethane, or it can also named as beta-phenyl nitroethane. Here the general nomenclature of aromatic nitro compounds are named by inserting the word nitro before the name of the parent hydrocarbon. The position of the nitro group is indicated either by prefixing the numericals 1, 2, 3, etc. or by ortho, meta, para. For example, it is nitrobenzene. It is orthomethyl nitrobenzene or 2-methyl nitrobenzene. It is 1,3,5 trinitrobenzene. 1,3,5 trinitrobenzene. Next, preparations of nitrobenzene by nitration of benzene. Generally, benzene on heating with concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid, it is called nitrating mixture. 1:2 ratio of concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid is called nitrating mixture. Benzene on heating with the mixture of concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid at less than 60 degrees centigrade temperature undergo electrophilic substitution to give nitrobenzene. It is called nitration. Nitration of benzene means benzene on heating with the mixture of concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid. It is called nitrating mixture at less than 60 degrees centigrade temperature undergo electrophilic substitution to give nitrobenzene. It is called nitration. That is benzene plus concentrated nitric acid in the presence of sulfuric acid less than 60 degrees centigrade undergo electrophilic substitution to give nitrobenzene. Here the mechanism, this is an example of aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction in which nitronium ion is the electrophile in this reaction. NO2 plus ion is an electrophile in this chemical reaction. That is HNO3 plus 2 moles of H2SO4. It gives rise to NO2 plus is a electrophile. Then protonated water H3O plus 2HSO4 minus. Among this NO2 plus is act as an electrophile. Here in the benzene nucleus, actually that is benzene undergo electrophilic substitution. Here in the benzene nucleus, these pi bonded electrons are polarized towards the carbon. This carbon gets negative charge, this carbon gets positive charge. This NO2 plus ion attack to get the negative end of the carbon atom. Then it gives rise to, that is nitro substituted benzene. Then this ortho carbon gets positive charge. Here delocalization of the pi electron, this positive charge is migrated to para carbon. Again this delocalization of pi electrons, then this positive charge is migrated to again ortho carbon. Here losing proton, here removal of the proton, it gives rise to nitrobenzene. It is the mechanism of electrophilic substitution of benzene molecule with a nitrating mixture. That is benzene on heating with the mixture of concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid. It is called nitrating mixture at less than 60 degrees centigrade undergo electrophilic substitution to give nitrobenzene. It is called nitration. Next, limitations or precautions. If temperature exceeds 60 degrees centigrade, that is around 100 degrees centigrade, the meta-dinitrobenzene is the major product in this reaction. If temperature exceeds 60 degrees centigrade, that is around 100 degrees centigrade, meta-dinitrobenzene is the major product in this reaction. Here that is benzene plus concentrated nitric acid. Right? concentrated sulfuric acid at 100 degrees centigrade, undergo electrophilic substitution to give meta-dinitrobenzene or 1,3-dinitrobenzene is major product obtained in this reaction while increasing the temperature. Next, the physical properties of nitrobenzene, that is aromatic nitro compounds are usually yellow in color and are mostly solids. Aromatic nitro compounds are usually yellow in color and are mostly solids. Then nitrobenzene is a liquid with a agreeable smell. Nitrobenzene is a liquid with a agreeable smell. Then the melting and boiling points of the compounds increase progressively as more and more nitro groups are introduced in the ring. The melting and boiling points of the compounds increase progressively as more and more nitro groups are introduced in the ring. They are polar and show high value of dipole moments. They are polar and show high values of dipole moments. They are insoluble in water but dissolve completely in organic solvents such as benzene and ether. They are insoluble in water but dissolve completely in organic solvents such as benzene and ether. Nitro compounds are highly toxic. Nitro compounds are highly toxic. Next, chemical properties of nitrobenzene. Here, nitrobenzene undergo electrophilic substitution reactions, but the reactivity of nitrobenzene is less than benzene molecule, because in the nitrobenzene, due to the electron withdrawing minus mesomeric effect or electron withdrawing nature of the nitro group, then the ring is deactivated. Here, due to the mesomeric effect of nitro group, in the obtained canonical structures, the ortho para carbons are having electron deficient carbon atoms, means metacarbons are electron rich centers. Therefore, the incoming electrophile should directed to metacarbon only. Here, nitrobenzene undergo electrophilic substitution, but the reactivity of nitrobenzene is less than benzene molecule, because in the nitrobenzene, due to the electron withdrawing nature of the nitro group, the ring is deactivated. Therefore, the reactivity of nitrobenzene is less than benzene molecule. But during the electrophilic substitution, due to the minus mesomeric effect of nitro group, in the obtained canonical structures, ortho para carbons are electron deficient carbon atoms, means metacarbon is electron rich carbon. Therefore, the incoming electrophile should directed to metacarbon only, means in the electrophilic substitution, the incoming new electrophile is directed to metacarbon. Here, the first one is nitration, that is nitrobenzene on heating with nitrating mixture, that is 1:2 ratio of concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid at 100 degrees centigrade, it forms meta-dinitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene on heating with nitrating mixture, that is concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid at 100 degrees centigrade undergo electrophilic substitution to form meta-dinitrobenzene. That is nitrobenzene plus concentrated HNO3 and concentrated sulfuric acid at 100 degrees centigrade. It gives meta-dinitrobenzene. Second one is halogenation. Here nitrobenzene on heating with halogen X2, that is chlorine or bromine, in the presence of Lewis acid, that is FeX3, undergo electrophilic substitution to give meta-halonitrobenzene. Meta-halonitrobenzene. For example, nitrobenzene upon treatment with chlorine in the presence of Lewis acid FeCl3 undergo electrophilic substitution to give metachloronitrobenzene. Third one is sulfonation. That is nitrobenzene on heating with fuming sulfuric acid, or it is also called oleum. Fuming sulfuric acid is called oleum. At 100 degrees centigrade undergo electrophilic substitution to give, that is meta-nitrobenzene sulfonic acid is obtained. That is nitrobenzene on heating with fuming sulfuric acid at 100 degrees centigrade undergo electrophilic substitution to give meta-nitrobenzene sulfonic acid is obtained. That is nitrobenzene with fuming sulfuric acid at 100 degrees centigrade, it gives meta-nitrobenzene sulfonic acid is obtained. Next, Friedel-Crafts reactions. Friedel-Crafts reactions means Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation. Due to the less electron density in benzene ring, this nitrobenzene do not undergo FC alkylation or FC acylation reactions. Due to the less electron density in benzene ring, nitrobenzene do not undergo Friedel-Crafts reactions. The main reason is due to the less electron density in benzene ring, nitrobenzene do not undergo Friedel-Crafts reactions. Next one, it is the important one, the reduction reactions of nitrobenzene. It is the important. Here nitrobenzene give different products in different catalysts or different media, that is acid media, neutral media and alkali media. In the three different medias, it gives different types of products are obtained during the reduction of nitrobenzene. First one is in acid media. Here nitrobenzene on reduction with tinine HCl or zinc in HCl or stannous chloride with HCl. In acid media, it undergo reduction to give aniline. Aminobenzene is called aniline is obtained. Nitrobenzene on reduction with tinine HCl or zinc in HCl or stannous chloride in HCl form aniline or aminobenzene. That is nitrobenzene undergo reduction with nascent hydrogen in the presence of tinine HCl, it gives aniline, that is aminobenzene is obtained. It is in acid media reduction. Second one is in neutral media reduction. In neutral media, nitrobenzene on reduction with zinc in ammonium chloride. Zinc in ammonium chloride forms phenyl hydroxylamine. Means generally hydroxylamines are obtained. Phenyl hydroxylamine, that is nitrobenzene on reduction with zinc in ammonium chloride forms phenyl hydroxylamine, that is nitrobenzene plus 4 nascent hydrogen atoms in the presence of zinc in ammonium chloride, it gives N-phenyl hydroxylamine plus water. It is in neutral media. Next, third one is in basic media or alkali media. Nitrobenzene on reduction with zinc in alkali. Zinc with alkali forms hydrazobenzene as well as azobenzene. Here that is nitrobenzene on reduction with zinc in alkali forms hydrazobenzene is the end product or final product. That is nitrobenzene plus 10 moles of nascent hydrogen. Here 2 moles of nitrobenzene undergo reduction with zinc in alkali media. It gives hydrazobenzene, that is phenyl group C6H5 NH NH C6H5. It is called hydrazobenzene. Next, reduction with lithium aluminium hydride. Here nitrobenzene on reduction with lithium aluminium hydride forms azobenzene. Nitrobenzene on reduction with lithium aluminium hydride forms azobenzene. That is nitrobenzene, 2 moles of nitrobenzene undergo reduction with nascent hydrogen in the presence of lithium aluminium hydride. It gives azobenzene. That is C6H5 N double bond N C6H5 plus 4H2O. These are the reduction reactions of nitrobenzene. Once again, it is the important reactions. Here, first in acid media, nitrobenzene undergo reduction with toluene HCl. It gives aniline or aminobenzene. Second condition, in neutral media, means nitrobenzene undergo reduction in the presence of zinc in ammonium chloride, which is in neutral media. It gives phenyl hydroxylamine, N-phenyl hydroxylamine. Third media is basic media or alkali media. Nitrobenzene undergo reduction with zinc in alkali, zinc in potassium hydroxide to form hydrazobenzene. Fourth one, nitrobenzene undergo reduction with lithium aluminium hydride. It gives azobenzene. These are the different products are obtained by the reduction of nitrobenzene in different media or by using different catalysts. Next, fifth one, reduction with nickel or platinum. Here nitrobenzene on catalytic reduction to give aniline. Nitrobenzene undergo catalytic reduction like in the presence of nickel or platinum to form aniline. That is nitrobenzene plus 3H2 in the presence of nickel or platinum, it gives aniline or aminobenzene plus 2H2O. Next, electrolytic reduction. Here nitrobenzene on electrolytic reduction in weakly acidic media form aniline. That is nitrobenzene on electrolytic reduction in weakly acidic media form aniline. That is nitrobenzene plus 6 moles of 6 nascent hydrogen atoms with a weakly acidic media electrolysis. It gives aniline or aminobenzene. Next, nitrobenzene on electrolytic reduction in strongly acidic media forms phenyl hydroxylamine, which undergo rearrangement to give para aminophenol or para hydroxyphenol. Here that is nitrobenzene on electrolytic reduction in strongly acidic media forms phenyl N-phenyl hydroxylamine, which undergo rearrangement to give para aminophenol, or it can also call para hydroxyaniline. That is nitrobenzene undergo reduction with 4 nascent hydrogen atoms in the presence of strongly acidic media electrolysis. it gives N-phenyl hydroxylamine, which undergo rearrangement to give, that is para-aminophenol or para-hydroxyaniline. These are the different products are obtained during the reduction reactions of nitrobenzene. That is, first one, nitrobenzene undergo reduction in the presence of tinin HCl, it gives aniline. Second one, nitrobenzene undergo reduction with zinc in ammonium chloride, it gives N-phenyl hydroxylamine. Third one, nitrobenzene undergo reduction with zinc in alkali media, it gives hydrazobenzene. Fourth one, nitrobenzene undergo reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, it gives azobenzene. Fifth one, nitrobenzene on catalytic reduction to give aniline. Sixth one, nitrobenzene on electrolytic reduction in weakly acidic media to give aniline. But nitrobenzene on electrolytic reduction with strongly acidic media form N-phenyl hydroxylamine, undergo reduction, undergo rearrangement to give para-aminophenol. These are the different types of products are obtained in different media or different catalysts used during the reduction reactions of nitrobenzene. Next, last reaction is selective reduction reaction. In the selective reduction, that is meta-dinitrobenzene undergo reduction in the presence of ammonium sulfide or sodium sulfide. It undergo partial reduction, means among the two nitro groups, only one nitro group undergo reduction to give, that is meta-nitroaniline or that is meta-aminonitrobenzene is obtained. It is the selective reduction of meta-dinitrobenzene. That is meta-dinitrobenzene undergo reduction in the presence of ammonium sulfide or sodium sulfide. It gives, that is meta-aminonitrobenzene or meta-nitroaniline is obtained. These are the normal reduction and selective reduction reactions of nitrobenzene. With this, nitrohydrocarbons is completed. Thank you.